A. A for apple. A for apple. B. B for ball. B for ball. C. C for cat. C for cat. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. C for cat. आएं अब हम ड्राइंग से समझते हैं। Hello, I am Sahzeb. Today I am draw A, B, C letter drawing. First step to draw A. A for apple. Next step to draw a apple. Draw a B letter. B for ball. Next step to draw a ball. Draw a C letter. C for cat. Next step to draw a cat. Draw colors. Magic. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. Thanks for watching.